So here serial number, product, packing, quantity, batch, expiry date, rate, MRP, discount, taxable, CGST, SGST, total, heads are given here. For entering the product we can use the data validation, list, source, go to product database and select the product and say OK. So now data validation is appearing now. No need to enter the serial number manually. We can put a formula for that. Is equal to if product C16 not equal to blank, means not equal to blank. If it is not blank, product name is not blank, then comma, then row formula should appear, row bracket A1 bracket close, comma, double quotes, bracket close, enter. So the meaning of this formula is if C16 not equal to blank, product name is not blank, then row number will appear. Row is A1. What is the A1 row number? It is A1 means 1, A2 means 2, A3 means 3. So this likewise row number will appear. If C16 product name is not blank, then row number will appear, or else if it is blank, then the serial number will be blank. So now I'll select the product here, so automatically serial number will take. This is how we can put the formula for serial number. Next, packing. Vlookup bracket product C16 comma, go to product database and select C2D, means 2 column, comma, 2 column, 0, bracket close, enter. Again batch, Vlookup bracket product name C16 comma, go to product database C2E, 3 columns, comma, 0, enter. So is equal to Vlookup bracket product name C16 comma, go to product database, 4 columns, C2F, 4 columns means comma, 4, comma, 0, enter. So next rate, Vlookup bracket open product name, go to product database and rate. There are 5 columns here, comma, 5, comma, 0, enter. So for MRP again, Vlookup bracket open product name C16 comma, go to product database, select C2H, means 6 columns, comma, 6, comma, 0, enter. So this is how we can put the formula for this: packing, batch, expiry date, rate and MRP. So if I delete the product here, it will show NA. So for that we can edit the formula here. If error bracket open end of the formula, double quotes, enter. Again here, if error bracket open end of the formula, double quotes, bracket close, enter. Here also, if error bracket open end of the formula, double quotes, enter. If error bracket open end of the formula, double quotes, bracket close, enter. Press F2. If error bracket open end of the formula, double comma, double quotes, enter. So this is how we can edit the formula. Now if I select any of the product here, it will show batch, expiry, rate and MRP. If I delete, it will be blank. So now I'll select this one. For a discount column we have a three conditions here. One is immediate payment, second is credit bill, third is blank. So now we can put the discount formula here. If it is more than one condition, we should use AND along with if and L11 is equal to immediate, result should be 3. So enter. So it will show 3%. If it is immediate payment, it will show 3% discount. If we select credit bill, it is false. For that we can put one more condition. If and L11 is equal to credit bill double quotes bracket close result double quotes 0.00 double quotes enter. So if we select immediate payment, it is showing 3%. If it is credit bill, it is 0. If it is blank, then we should put one more condition here. If and bracket L11 is equal to blank, then result should be double quotes 0.00 double quotes enter. So if I select immediate payment, it will show 3%. If I select credit bill, it is 0. If it is blank, it is 0. Now we can put the taxable formula is equal to rate into quantity is a taxable. If we select here immediate payment, so in the taxable value 3% discount should be reduced. So for that we should edit the formula here. So here we can put the bracket minus again open. So rate into quantity bracket close into discount K16 divided by 100 enter. So now on taxable 3% got reduced. So if I select immediate payment, taxable is same. For a one quantity it is taxable 115.25 into one quantity, it is same as a rate. So if I select credit bill, the taxable value should be reduced. So now 115.25 into 1 minus 3%, it is 311.79. So now taxable got reduced and it is, the formula is correct. So now we can put the CGST and SGST percentage. For that we look up bracket open product comma, go to product and select C2I, it is 7 columns comma 7 comma 0 enter. So CGST will be 6%. So for that we can put divided by 2. So again here we look up bracket open product name comma, go to product database C2I 7 columns comma 0 enter. For this also we can edit divided by 2 enter. So now we can put the formula for total is equal to taxable plus bracket L16 into bracket CGST plus SGST bracket close divided by 100. So this is how we can put the formula for total value. So if I select credit, it will show $115.25 plus 12%, it is total 129. If I select, so now 11.79 plus 12% is, then total is 125.21. If I select the payment mode, it is credit bill, then taxable 115.25 plus 12% is equal to 129.08. it is, the formula is correct. Now from serial number to total, all the formula got entered. So if I delete the product, still some values are showing error. For that we need to edit the formula here, and we need to bring the dependency on quantity. If I enter the quantity, then only the from batch to total quantity should be appeared, or else blank. For that we need to edit the formula here. Now we can edit the batch formula. If quantity is more than 0, then only the batch should appear, or else end of the formula, comma, double quotes, bracket close, enter. So now if I delete quantity, batch will not show. If I enter, batch will show. So for expiry also, if bracket quantity is greater than 0, comma, end of the formula, if it is more than 1, then only should show expiry date, or else should be blank. For that, comma, double quotes, bracket close, enter. So again for a rate also we can edit. If bracket quantity greater than 0, comma, end of the formula, comma, double quotes, bracket, enter. So MRP also, if bracket quantity greater than 0, comma, end of the formula, comma, double quotes, bracket close, enter. So if I delete quantity, so batch will not be there. If I enter, batch will be there. Any of the product we can select, for that particular product's batch will appear. So now if I delete product, it will show blank. So now if I select batch, expiry, rate, MRP are showing now. So if I delete, still we can bring the discount, taxable, CGST, SGST, total dependency on quantity only. For that we can edit the formula here. So now I'll delete. Now we can edit the discount formula here. So discount, already we have three conditions here. We can add one more condition here. So rate column is I16. So for that, if bracket I16 and I16 is equal to blank, the result should be blank, or else other condition. So enter. So now discount is also not there. So if I enter the one, then only it will show, or else blank. Now we can edit the taxable value. So for that, press F2. If I16 is equal to blank, comma, result should be blank, or else should be calculated rate into quantity minus rate into quantity into discount divided by 100. So enter. So now taxable also depend on quantity. Now I will delete quantity as well as product. So here we need to edit if error bracket end of the formula comma double quotes bracket close enter. Here also F2 if error bracket end of the formula comma double quotes bracket close enter. So here if I select any of the product, so still CGST and SGST should work on quantity only. For that we can edit again if bracket quantity greater than 0 comma, so again end of the formula comma double quotes bracket enter. So here again if bracket F16 means quantity greater than 0 comma end of the formula comma double quotes bracket close enter. Now CGST and SGST are depend on quantity only. So still total value is not depend on quantity or product. So we can, if I delete this, it will show value. For that we can edit if rate is equal to blank, the result should be blank, or else taxable plus CGST, SGST and total enter. Now from batch to total columns are depend on quantity. If I enter the quantity, it will take from batch to till total data will appear. So if I delete the quantity, from batch to total there is no any data. So now if I delete product, packing and serial number will not appear. So now if I try to enter the quantity, it will take. For that we can give a small data validation. For that data validation custom serial number, here we can write if B16 is equal to product database from here to here comma again from here to here, and we can give here small alert that please enter the product. Okay, so now if I try to enter the quantity, it will not take. So for that we can select the product first. So now I am selecting product. Now it is taking. So if I delete, it will not take. If I try to enter the quantity, it will not take. So the product serial number is depend on product and quantity now depend on serial number. So if I select any of the product here, if I try to enter the product, it will take. If I try to enter the quantity, it will not allow to enter the quantity. So now you can select product and quantity. So and here we can we can put a conditional formatting. For that we can click new rule, format only cell that location. Here equal to 3, go to and select the color yellow, we can put, say OK. So if I delete this, it will be blank. If I enter the any of the quantity, so it will take, if it is 3%, it will take yellow. If I select the credit, it will be no color. So if I select immediate, it will take color for 3%. So we need to copy the formula and paste to till 30th row. Before that we should edit the discount formula, because it is discount depend on payment mode. So for that we need to lock the cell. So L11 is a payment mode cell, so we need to lock this cell. For that we should press F4, enter. Here we can press F4, enter. Again here also F4, enter. So now L11 is got locked, this and this. So now L11 is got locked. So now we can copy the row number 16 formula, all the formula from 16 to, copy the formula from 16 to and paste it to till 30th row, enter. So we can delete here, and this also we should delete. And now we can select the product here. So enter one quantity, 3 quantity. Here we can select here 50 quantity. So now quantity, now if I try to enter the quantity, it will say please enter the product. Without product it will not take the quantity. So now here 10. This is how all the formula got incorporated with all the row from 16 to 30th row.